Let triangle ABC be an equilateral triangle. Let length of each side is x. Now we shall try to find out the area of this triangle. The formula to find the area of this triangle. For this purpose, we shall draw a perpendicular from vertex A on side BC. See, I am drawing a perpendicular. Let this is AD. AD is perpendicular on BC is drawn. Then this perpendicular AD divides BC into two halves. Hence, side BC will be divided into two halves, x by 2 and x by 2. Means length BD will be half of x and length DC will also be half of x. Hence, AD divides BC into AD bisects BC, you can say, bisects perpendicularly. Okay. Now, to find out the area of this triangle ABC, formula is 1 by area of triangle, equilateral triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2, its base BC, and what is the altitude or height? AD. We have drawn AD, you know? Yes. BC means X you know, but AD you don't know. With the help of this information, if you are able to find out AD, then problem is solved. Now, we shall see the right angle triangle ADC. See, what is the right angle triangle ADC? In right angle triangle ADC, AC is hypotenuse. AC square is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to AD square plus DC square. AD means perpendicular square plus DC means base square. AC we know x, all sides are equal to x. AD we want to know height of the triangle. DC already we have written that DC is x by 2. With the help of this equation, we can get AD, value of AD. AD square plus x by 2 whole square is x square by 4. Now, x square plus x square by 4 becomes minus x square by 4 is equal to AD square. Now, AD square is equal to, subtract this to x square minus x square by 4. The LCM is 4. 4x square minus x square. How much it is? 4x square minus 1x square means 3x square by 4. This is the value of AD square. We want AD. Therefore, take square root both sides. AD is equal to square root of 3x square plus or minus will get square root. But because AD is length, therefore it should be taken positive. This we shall take positive value. Root 3 by square root of 4 is 2. X square square root is x. This way we have found this height AD. This value you substitute here in this equation 1. Area of the equilateral triangle. Area of triangle, equilateral triangle. ABC is equal to 1 by 2. Base is BC. Height is AD. BC is X, we know. What is AD we found just now? Root 3 by 2 X. X square that for finding the area of an equilateral triangle whose side is 6 centimeters. Now we shall do it. Area of an equilateral triangle. What is the formula you know? We derived it into side square. This side A is given. A is equal to 6 centimeters. Substitute here root 3 by 4 into 6 square. Root 3 by 4 into 6 into 6. What's the answer? 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 3s. 3 3s are 9 root 3 square centimeter. Now here we shall use trigonometric formula. This method is helpful to the students who belong to 10th class or higher. We'll draw a small equilateral triangle. Let this is an equilateral triangle ABC. Side opposite to vertex A is called small letter A. Side opposite to vertex B is called small letter B. Side opposite to vertex C is called small letter C. This is equilateral triangle. Here, hence we have to take all sides equal and all angles equal. And each angle is equal to 60 degree. In equilateral triangle, area of any triangle, not equilateral. Formula is 1 by 2 AB sin C is equal to 1 by 2 BC sin A is equal to 1 by 2 CA sin B. You can utilize any one of these formula for finding area of any triangle, not equilateral. If it is equilateral, take A, B, C equal. If triangle is equilateral, what happens? A, B, C all are equal. Therefore, instead of half AB sin C, you have to keep is the formula changes. How it changes? See here. Area of the triangle is equal to 1 by 2 AB. A and B are same, therefore I can write A into A, means A square. In place of sin C, C is 60 degree. See, this is the formula for equilateral triangle. The modification of this formula. Now substitute, what is A given? A given 6 centimeters. Substitute and get the answer. A 6 square into sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Half into 6 into 6 into root 3 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. 2 1s are 2 3s are. 3 3s are 9 root 3 square centimeters. See, same as that in the previous question. Here also, in the previous question also, we got the same answer. A, B, C, D, E, F, B, A, regular hexagon with each side is equal to A. Now, join the opposite vertices to get 6 equilateral triangles. I will write. Now, area of regular hexagon is equal to 6. It has the diagonals divided the hexagon into 6 equal equilateral triangles. Therefore, one equilateral triangle, if I take area of triangle AOB one triangle, and multiply it by 6. See, there are 6 equilateral triangles. Area of triangle AOB, equilateral triangle AOB is, what is the area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 into side square. Side is A. Now multiply 2 3s are 2 2s. 3 root 3 by 2. This is the formula for regular hexagon. A, B, C, D, E, F. 3 root 3 by 2, A square, where A is its side. Okay.